if you're running Google ads and having campaigns online, and the toughest or the hardest part while running campaign is that when you hear the news that your account is suspended. uh, Getting your Google ads account suspended is really a very hectic task when it comes to running Google ads account. And new advertisers especially, and many advertisers, even old advertisers, have seen the like situation where their Google ads account getting suddenly suspended. When your accounts get suspended on Google ads, not only uh, you lose the access to advertise online, but you are losing a lot of money with your business, because for many companies Google ads is an important traffic channel, but for some companies they solely rely on getting traffic from Google ads. So in either of the scenario, you lose your business, and because you have to pay the wages and salaries to your employees, fixed salaries. But the advertising part gets affected, which results into lower sales, poor sales for your business. And in this video I will be discussing a detailed case study regarding Google ads suspension. Now, because there are many types of Google ads suspension. Some accounts are being suspended for advertising verification, some as suspicious payment, some as unauthorized access, and some has circumventing system, some has malicious issues, some has malware issues, or some has compliance issues, some has trademark issues. There can be many reasons, which is why your Google ads account suspended. And I also have previous case studies regarding Google ads suspension, but this video is solely regarding your Google ads account suspended for circumventing system. In case if you don't know, Google ads circumventing system is one of the toughest and hardest penalty you get for your Google ads account, and it is one of the hardest to get restored. you know Majority of the people have appealed several times before, when they try to get their account restored or unsuspended, but they often get failed. Why? Because they do not know why their account is suspended, and what is the reason, which is why they had to face this circumventing system. So me as a Google partner, we work closely with our clients and our dedicated manager to work solely on what are the issues which causes your Google ads account to be suspended, and where we are lacking on the website. We also study similar competitors who are running ads and who also have the same business model just like us and are running successfully. And we analyze their pages. Sometimes it's a compliance issue with the privacy policy, sometimes it's with the refund policy, sometimes we lack something on our about us page, or sometimes we are claiming something which in reality doesn't exist, or sometimes the word has issues, and majority of the advertisers do not know the Google ads policies, which is why it is very important to understand the Google ads policies before running campaign. So now this is a study of a client who is a US based client, and we worked probably around a year to get their accounts sorted. 1 year is a long time frame, but for now we are getting the accounts restored as soon as possible within 2 to 3 weeks. But some cases takes a little bit longer. Thanks to the client who was patient enough for this case study. Like he waited for around an year to get his account restored. But finally we were able to get it sorted. We had to do several changes on the website, and we had to do compliance issues. We discussed, we had meetings, we had blah blah things. So so let's get started, and let me show you step by step on what we did and how we did and how long exactly it took us, and what things needs to be mind while running Google ads campaigns so your account does not get suspended. So without waiting more, let's get started into this. So let me go back to find out when we got this client. Okay. 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 uh, let me be honest with you, and the client is quite old. It's 12 January 2023 right now, and this client seems probably way older. Like it's a 2021 client and it's now 2023. So it's a more than 1 year and few months before getting the client on. And you can see the conversation over here with regarding how much conversation we had, like on the account. We added help center. We discussed regarding the what our competitors are doing. We these are the changes, like these are the minor small changes, like I was discussing, asking users for over 18 years of page or displaying this on your web page. The changes we done, uh, like a lot of changes. We discussed on the competitors. So it says Google Ads ID. We are getting to, so basically we started on 4th July, probably. So it's in 1 year and half. So it's like 18 months to get their account suspended. Okay, yeah. And it was a quite a patient work, because we had to do a lot of stuff, a lot of changes. We did work with the payment, and you see the account is suspended on circumventing system. So that's quite a hassle for the client, and like the error. So now when I you know like I'm showing you the I'm saying good news on WhatsApp, but wait for my message. And this is, you know, okay. And okay, so this was like the client. I just sent him the good news on WhatsApp, and even on WhatsApp, we communicated for like few months to get the account sorted. But that was, the final moment of joy when we saw that we have some good news, and our team has reviewed your account based on a detailed appeal, and we are happy to let you know that it has been reactivated. And Google suddenly changed into a billing issue, but like he was even surprised as well. Like the reason is vague, just says billing and compliance might have been the issue. But that is not the issue, because when the billing issues, you get the suspicious payment error, not the circumventing system. Circumventing system error is when Google thinks that your website is doing clocking, your website is not doing compliance, your website has is a faking visitors, and is showing something different to web visitors and showing something different to Google team, have wording conflict issues. For instance, one of our client, for health issues, health campaign, that was uh, lose weight up to 5 kg. And Google didn't approve that ad. Why? Because I did. How you are claiming that you are able to reduce the 5 kg? Do you have any scientific evidence, scientific research, any third party claim? How do you do it? So we had to add, like, based on the customers testimonials, we had to add disclaimers like these for compliance. So Google is very concerned. So this a miswording or a claim, some claim without third party research or verification, can also land you into circumventing system. And the process is longer, and and that was the same, like congrats and wait for my next email. So your account has been activated. So although it took us like 18 months to get it restored, but I was so happy, that I called the client, and like I'm quite happy, and but like long struggle, but we had great news, thank you so much, your account has been reactivated. So the feeling of the client was very different. And even I can show you his ads account, so you can have a better data on it. So what exactly we did? Number one thing we did was, we worked on the website, we worked on the content issues. We make sure that there is no issues with any content or any statement we are making on the website for compliance. The second thing we did was sorting out any billing issues, if we have any address issues or any issues. Third was studying our competitors to see in case if we have any ad copy issue or something like that which is causing the issue. Fourth was manually checking our campaign on Google Ads. What kind of a campaign we are running, what sort of traffic we are targeting, any issues over there. And then issues like on pages like return policy, refund policy, contact us pages, about us pages. We worked on that as well to figure out any problem. We studied those pages in detail for compliance, and it was a long time. The right now we are doing cases of Google Ad suspension quite quicker, but that was a case. It took 18 months. But we never lose the hope, and thankfully our client also. So it's a big credit for patience to our client side. Because he waited so much for this. Let me show you his account over here as well. For getting it sorted and running was actually a big thing for us. And the client was not able to run the ads for like 2 years because of the account suspension. And your account is unsuspended, and Google said that your account has been reactivated and is able to run ads again. You might need to update your billing information before your ads can run again. So even unauthorized activities can also be a reason for a Google Ads account. But we also discussed in appeal. We had separate meetings with our Google dedicated manager, like if our clients, our competitors are running it, why not we? So in fact of solving it, once my dedicated manager said that you need to file for those competitors to Google that why they are running ads even if they are not compliant. So I was like, where we are lacking compliance, or where our competitors are lacking compliance. I do not want them. I do not want their ads to get suspended. If they are compliant, so why we should get their ads suspended? So yeah, we also worked on appeal process. We also discussed in appeals, regarding the changes we did. Every time we have to discuss more details regarding. We further studied again. We further studied again, and this thing. So yeah, which is how we were able to get this account unsuspended. And let me be honest with you, getting your account unsuspended for circumventing system is one of the toughest thing to do. And I'm glad that this is another successful case studies. We don't post every case study regarding Google Ads suspension over here. And out of like hundreds of case studies, we just post 1 or 2 videos just for the motivation purposes. Like if we can do it, you can also do it. And we are also providing this service. Like in case if your Google Ads account is suspended and you are looking for a professional help, I'm a Google Ads partner. I'm also Facebook ad certified, and my team can help you regarding suspension of your Google Ads account, and how we can get them sorted and how we can get them approved and running for your business. And thank you for watching out this video. In case if you have any comments, suggestions or concern, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. I will be looking forward for your comment, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you and bye bye.